Lisa. I have completed my MSc in the subject of physics. Yesterday we was learning about tense. Tense is very important chapter for all the students. So we was discussed yesterday introduction of tense, then present tense for four form like present simple, present perfect, then present perfect progressive. So yesterday we was briefly discuss about the present simple and present progressive. So today we will discuss present perfect and present perfect progressive. Then we will discuss about past tense. Okay, let's start. Present perfect. Present perfect is the tense of second form of the present tense. Present perfect is the third form of the present tense. For a past action with present relevance, it means one of the action is started with past and with till now that affect is continue, that is called present perfect tense. Example. Example, I have done my homework. Then another example is I have gone to Puri. I have done my homework. It means I has already done my homework. So it was happening with past, but till now its affect continue. That is called present perfect tense. It is a form of the present perfect tense, that is subject plus has or have plus verb third form. That is we can discuss about third form. Do, did, done. Do is the one of the verb, then did is the second form of the verb, then done is the third form of the verb. So in this case, the third form like done is used. That is I have gone to Puri. It is the third form. Gone is the third form of the present perfect tense. It is all about present perfect tense. Then we will discuss present perfect progressive. Okay. Present perfect progressive for something started at the past and continuing present, likely to continue in the future, is called present perfect progressive. Present perfect progressive is likely to continue in the past, started in the past, continuing present, and also continuing in the future. Present perfect progressive tense continuing past, present also, it will be continue in the future. That is called present perfect progressive tense. I have been doing this several months. It means the anyone doing this for several months, it was continue in the past, then present, then also future. So it is called present perfect progressive tense. It is the form of the present perfect progressive, that is subject plus has or have, then been plus object. It is all about present progressive tense. Then we will discuss about past tense. Past tense has also a four form like present tense. That is one of this past simple, past progressive, past perfect, then past perfect progressive. First we will discuss about past simple. Past simple is the past form of the past tense. Then it relate past action. It relate the past action. Also past action that happen over a time period. That is called past simple. Then we will discuss about examples. Like he live in the Delhi for 5 years. He live in Delhi for 5 years. 5 years continuously he live in Delhi. That is called past action. It is also happening in the past time. So it is the past simple tense. Then it is an example of the past tense. Past simple tense. Then it is a form, that is as plus subject plus verb, the second form of the verb plus object. That is called past simple. Then we will go as past progressive tense. For a action in progress past, for a action is progress in past. That is one of the action is progress in past. It is called as past progressive tense. Past progressive examples of the past progressive tense. I have studied in class 9th last year. So today anyone said he is in the class 10th, maybe or above class. But I have studied in the class 9th last year. It means the action is progressing in the past. That is called past progressive tense. It is a form like subject plus verb, past form of the verb, then plus adding to the verb with ing plus object. It is called past progressive tense. Then we will progress the past perfect tense. Past perfect tense for an older action in the past. It is an older action in the past. Nothing will be affecting the future and present. That is called past perfect tense. When we reach the station, the train has already left. Means when anyone will reach the station, then that time already train has left. It means that continuing in the older action, that is called past perfect tense. Then we will discuss about the form of the tense, like how we will write the past tense, past perfect tense. past perfect tense. Then subject plus had plus verb, third form of the verb, then object. Third form of the verb means I was already saying that is like do is one of the verb, then it is the third form is done. Then we will discuss about past perfect progressive tense. It is the fourth form of the past tense. For a past action in progress, for a sometimes when another action is took place, that is called past perfect progressive tense. Example, that they had been driving for 2 hours when the car broken down. It means one of the person who driving in the car in the future, that is at a time the car was already broken, that is called past perfect progressive tense. Subject plus had plus been plus verb with headed ing plus object, it is the form of the past perfect progressive tense. So, next tense is future. Future tense is a not tense. It is called a time because the tense is changes timely. So that is called a future time, not a tense. So it is all about the past tense, present tense, and all the four form of the tense we can use in the sentences. We can use in the daily lives. We can use all the grammar topics in the tense. Tense is very much important in our life. Like we can spoken English, we can use writing English, we can use. Tense is very much important for all the students. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.